QSI, stock analysis and QSI stock prediction. What's next? I've spent 4 years into the markets, thousands of dollars on courses, mentors, and done 35,000 videos on my YouTube channel whilst documenting everything to see what's worked for me, what's not. So you don't actually have to go through all this trial and error. Generally speaking, QSI was just like this beautiful ticker where I actually was so open to taking things up. And if you watch my videos, you will see it really began started breaking in December. And since then, now it's just like a bullish range for me. Doesn't immediately mean that I'm gonna come out of the womb to next week once we open and just start crapping longs. No, what I'm looking at is this is technically still not yet a bullish range, so all this should be deleted, quite frankly. It's only going to be something that I'm going to be open for longs for the moment we start having double breaks, and that's double breaks above here. So what does that mean? It means that up until that point, I'm just a freaking observer, you know? There's no way that I'm going to just immediately start longing or whatsoever, doing all sorts of other crap. So I'm going to be chill. What happens if the price doesn't start picking up? I mean, fine, if it's going to keep going down, I'm going to keep you updated and tell you what's next. But it's only going to be something that I will long if I start seeing bullish breaks above here. That's about that. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.